Why is cultural competence key for successful bilingual branding? Imagine trying to connect with someone from a different background without understanding their language or culture. It's like speaking two languages but missing the meaning behind the words. When it comes to bilingual branding, especially for Latino families seeking insurance resources, this gap can make or break trust. Cultural competence is about more than just translating words. It's about understanding the cultural values, beliefs, and communication styles that shape how families make decisions. For example, Latino families often prioritize family unity and trust when choosing insurance options. They might prefer explanations that highlight how coverage benefits the entire household, not just individuals. If a brand understands this, they can craft messages that resonate deeply. It's about respecting cultural differences and avoiding stereotypes that can offend or alienate. When messages reflected real lived experiences, families feel seen and understood. That builds credibility and trust, which are essential in the insurance world where clients need to feel confident in their provider. Cultural competence also helps in explaining complex insurance terms. Many families find insurance confusing, especially if they're not familiar with certain concepts. When bilingual professionals communicate in ways that respect cultural norms, it makes the information clearer and more relatable. This reduces misunderstandings and makes families more comfortable asking questions. It encourages open dialogue, which leads to better service and loyalty. Addressing specific community needs is another advantage. Latino households might have unique insurance requirements based on their family size, employment, or housing situations. A culturally competent brand recognizes these needs and offers tailored options. For instance, promoting family health plans or life insurance that covers multi-generational households shows understanding and care. It demonstrates that the company values their specific circumstances. Beyond individual interactions, cultural competence gives brands a competitive edge. As the Latino population grows in the United States, companies that show they understand and respect cultural differences stand out. They attract more clients by offering authentic messaging that feels personal and relevant. This approach also supports community engagement. When brands reflected cultural values, they can connect through events and partnerships that honor traditions and foster trust. In practical terms, creating content that uses culturally relevant examples helps families relate better. Addressing common questions about insurance in ways that respect cultural values around family, trust, and financial security makes a difference. Employing bilingual staff who understand both language and cultural nuances ensures communication is genuine. Engaging with the community through local events or outreach programs further strengthens these bonds. In the end, integrating cultural competence into bilingual branding means more than just speaking two languages. It's about building real relationships based on understanding, respect, and shared values. When insurance providers do this well, they don't just sell policies. They become trusted partners in families' financial security and well-being.